This VEVOR 50-amp generator cord kit combines a long 50-foot reach with a high current rating, making it well suited for powering larger loads during outages or while traveling with a recreational vehicle. The cord uses thick copper conductors and a heavy outer jacket that stands up well to heat, sunlight, and rough outdoor conditions, so it feels reassuringly solid in the hand. Its matching inlet box arrives already drilled and uses a coated metal housing that resists rust and weather, which makes permanent installation on an exterior wall much more straightforward. A light on the flip cover clearly shows when power is present, reducing guesswork when you are connecting the generator in the dark or during bad weather. The twist-locking female connector and handled male plug create a very secure, strain-free connection that is unlikely to pull loose or let in dust and moisture once everything is engaged. Thoughtful extras like the included carrying strap and storage bag make it easier to coil, transport, and stash the cord neatly when it is not in use.